What is up, guys? Welcome back to Off-Road Diaries. If you are new to the channel, I am Krista. I'm the wife portion of this channel. Ever since having a child, it's been a little difficult to be as active as I once was, but I'm trying. I'm doing my best, and I'm learning how to balance being a mom and still do all the fun things that I've always enjoyed doing. So that's the child I helped create. That one right there. I actually think he already grabbed the camera and was talking to you guys. So here he is in all his glory with his razor. Miles, what does your razor say? Are you not gonna? Can we show everybody what we've been learning while we've been here at Glamis? What's the choo-choo train say? Choo-choo! Yeah! So we're here in Glamis, obviously, for Camp RZR Halloween weekend, and every time the train goes by, I've been going choo-choo with Miles to teach him the train. So I do want to do the chalkboard with you guys while I am here. I'm just making myself a little coffee. I got my whipping cream for my foam and some delicious steamy coffee that I'm gonna pour this cream on top of. We cut sugar out of our diets, so instead of using like creamer and stuff like that, I just use whipping cream because it's 0 sugar. And then I use this, I've got this sugar-free vanilla syrup, so I add a little bit of that to the coffee, and then I add a little bit of that to the whipping cream, and then I just take my whisker here, I give her a good whisking just to kind of froth it up a little bit. And Miles is about to, you gonna help? You helping? And then we just pour, oh no, let's not grab that because I don't want you to end up with, I like the dog food on the counter. I also have to keep that away from the baby. Is that funny? And then we're just gonna pour that right on top. Yummy. Let's give her a little taste here. It's probably gonna be hot, but oh yeah, you guys. This is the way right there. Oh, I hear a Pro R starting up. Jonathan's gonna go out for a little rip, and it's a beautiful day today. It's a little breezy, but we've got Jonathan in the Pro R there, Patty Mayo, and then we've got Scarlett Johansson here in all her glory. Yesterday I got a phone call from Jonathan. He's like, I'm gonna go do a shakedown. 5 minutes later, I get a call from him, and he's freaking out, talking about the car was catching on fire. So I placed a fire extinguisher in the driver's seat for him of the RS1 for a just-in-case scenario. Luckily, Mike, our buddy Mike, mustache military money Mike, went and got him taken care of. It was just a fuel line. I guess the clip wasn't clipped all the way, something, so just enough pressure to keep the fuel going, but was leaking. So hopefully that has been resolved. So let's do the chalkboard, you guys. So if you are new to the channel, we live in a motorhome full-time. This is our home. This is Miles' room. It's a little crazy right now since we're on the road. But he's got all of his closet up here, his bed down there, and then toys galore, because even if you live in an RV, you still get the itching to buy them everything. It's ridiculous. So in Miles's room, we have our chalkboard. In our old motorhome, Misty, that was our 30-foot Class A or Class C motorhome, we had the refrigerator that I turned into a chalkboard to mark down all of our travels. So when we got into the motorhome, which was literally the week that I gave birth to Miles, it took me a little while to get the chalkboard set up, but now it's set up in Miles's room, and I also have a measuring tape over here where we're measuring Miles' height as he grows and just marking all of our adventures for 2025. So 2025 started off with Glamis, and then now after all of these places, we are back in G-Town. Miles, quit messing with Leia. So we're just gonna mark a little Glamis here. All right, so now we've got Glamis back on the board, and within a matter of seconds, we've got baby fingers smushing the chalk, huh? What do you think, Miles? You like your chalkboard? You like it? Little crazy guy. Yeah, you're a wild man. So today is Wednesday. So nothing's really like major going on right now. We're waiting on everybody to get here. We've got some strawberries, some blackberries, some raspberries, and kiwi. Is it yummy? Is that good stuff? We like our berries, huh? It's good, yeah. So we're just waiting on everybody else to get here. We've got a whole slew of people showing up. I have no idea, honestly, at this point. I don't even try to keep up with it all. I'm just here to ride and have fun. So I want to go to vendors at some point. They've got the new Glamis hub Halloween t-shirts, Camp RZR t-shirts, like all kinds of cool t-shirts. I want to go over to vendors and see. Last year, at the end of the year, at the end of the season, like the pickings are slim. So it's good to kind of go at the get-go so you have better options, even with sale racks and stuff. Like, yeah, you have a better option of choices, right? A lot more options. So it's that time of year. Glamis season is upon us. The year has wrapped up for everything else, for St. Anthony's, for the Oregon coast, and Little Sahara and Utah. We went to Oklahoma. I mean, we have made some miles this year. And that's why our son's name is Miles. If you didn't know, his name is Miles Roman, for all the miles we've been roaming, because Jonathan and I have been traveling in an RV for over 10 years now. So it made sense to give you a cool, fitting name. So that's it, guys. I don't know what else to say right now. I'm just gonna start rambling. So if I don't shut up, I gotta turn off the camera, because otherwise Jonathan says I talk too much, which I do. On camera, not in person. If you ever meet me in person, I don't really say much. I don't know what to say. So that's it. We'll see you guys on a ride or something.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. I know Chris already told you that. Been kind of fiddling around all day. Will got here finally. Our friend Will. You guys, you know him. You know who Will is. Update on this thing. A freaking great update. We found leaking boost tubes going from the intercooler to the throttle body, and I just like could not dial the clutch in yesterday. I was like, I don't understand why it's not hitting 8,800 RPM. Well, come to find out, it's because the sucker was leaking all the boost out. My buddy with Bryce with Force Turbos, he helped me out a ton, gave me some guidance, showed me how I can actually look to see if there's boost coming in. Anyways, long story short, guys, she's running like a monster. I'm not gonna drive her yet right now because I finally just got everything figured out with it. And it's, holy crap, this car is almost scary fast. It's fun. So we're going to Sunset. We got baby Miles and Krista. We got military Mike over there. Still as grumpy as always. I like saying things because he never watches my videos. You're a grump, Mike.
Stuck under there?
Over. No, she was just laying inside of it.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, yeah, I didn't do that. I almost ran into my friend. I was so
yeah, dude,
excited.
I was like,
ah! All right, the show must go on.
Shit, man, I was like, really? I'm doing EMT stuff right here. I was like, oh, no,
Yeah,
no, it's too early.
You're our combat medic, bro.
Yeah.
You're part of the team now, man. Sunset, guys. Baby Miles, did you have fun in your bump seat?
Yeah, so much fun.
Yeah.
He just falls asleep like within 30 seconds every time.
I feel like he's terrified. I can't tell if he's terrified or not, but...
If he was terrified, he would be crying, and he's not crying.
Yeah.
He's just chilling, and he falls asleep. He's good.
How do all y'all's kids fall freaking asleep? We got Kelsey Ricardo, wherever she went. What's up, homie?
How's it going?
Hey, I ain't seen you in a minute. It's so freaking hot, it's hard to freaking ride today, but we made it up here to the hill. We're just gonna hang out here for a second, man. Me and Joel and Will rode up here. There's not a ton of people up here, but sometimes you just wanna come and chill at the hill for a second. So we got Tim and Amanda showing up shortly, so I'm gonna ride back soon, but just wanna say I did make it here, guys. Man, I'm so pumped to drive this RS1 tomorrow. I could not wait to get you guys some coverage. We're gonna chill for tonight though, maybe for a little while. Thank you guys so much for watching. No, this is kind of just a simple, quick video. Had to drive back and stayed in Laughlin for the night. Finally back home, had a freaking blast in Glamis. The good stuff starts on Sunday. I'm already editing that video. I just wanted to get you guys something out for Wednesday. So a lot of good riding coming up in this video. And we do got about 3 or 4 more Glamis videos that are going to come out. So the action starts on Sunday. Just wanted to tell you guys thanks. Go to offroaddiaries.com, order some new shirts. We got tons of new designs and new kids designs. We got a whole new kids line of clothing called MPH for miles per hour for our son. So anyways, I'm going to go to work. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and can't wait to share what I'm going to bring to you guys on Sunday. All right, see y'all. Bye.